Hello everyone, welcome to Paper Craft Mix. It's me, Brigitta, and today I have the final video for my collaboration with Craspire. In this video I want to show you the last die set that I received from them, and I used and you can see it there, my wax seal stamp that I received from them. So yeah, first of all I want to thank Craspire for the opportunity to work with them. I was really honored to do the collaboration. I chose their products, and I must say I'm really happy about the quality of them, the quality of the dies, the quality of the wax seal stamp. I have some wax seal stamps from Ali, and they don't do it as well as that one does. And yeah, again, thankful for this. And I want to show you the last projects that I made. I did them with this die set, and it's a pocket dies. You can see here, you can see it a little bit better. So this does cut out, looks like a pocket with a zipper, and you get, I have them here, you get two different styles of zippers that you can use, and this belongs to it. So this one goes like this. So yeah, that's that. Then you get this. It's a flower cluster, a flat one that you can put on the inside of your pocket, but you will see it in my examples. You also get two banner dies in this set. You get a really small sentiment, but that's so small because you can use it in both of the banners, and it just says just for you. So yeah, I will put it back in my box right away, and I cannot lose the small pieces. Then you also get a beautiful flower in two layers. So these ones, really sweet. And you get two style of leaves, small leaves, to combine with the dies. And here you can see the wax seal stamp I chose. Well, they have such a big variety, so hard to choose, but my favorite flower is well, now I don't know the English word for it. Oh my god. But this is my favorite flower, and yeah, I just love it. Beautiful. So let's start. I told it in my last video from Craspire, I really wanted to start by making some fall cards with this die set. And this is the first one that I did. So it's just a normal card. I made it, I think, as a top fold. Yeah. And I used some dies from my stash for both of the background squares. And here you can see the pocket. Here I just used everything as this was meant to be. Well, of course nothing is meant to be. You can use it in every way you want. But here I just used this background flowers, or the flowers that you can tuck in. I only did some Winkle Stella on it and some orange Nouveau drops in the flowers, in the centers of the flowers and on the berries. I think it's so cute. I used this style of zipper. I added it just for you. And here with the button I also used two of the small leaves. And I just added some ribbon behind it. I thought it came out really cute. I love this warm fall colors. Papers that I use are from Action Store. Oh, and some yellow Nouveau drops, of course. I really like how this card turned out. It's quite flat. If you don't add the button, it's really easy to put into the mail if you use the dies like this, because this doesn't give any bulk. I must say I did put the pocket on my card with my 3D tape, but I only have this size, and you can see it. It's one that I buy at the Action, and it's not really thick. So it gives a little bit of dimension, but not too much. And yeah, I really loved how this card came out. Then I thought, what can I do more? Of course, you can also use this die as a pocket for a journal, for example. So here I made it. It's a tag that I made like a page fold over. So you can hang this to a page in a journal. Use a paper clip or something on it. And yeah, I think this came out really cute as well. I love it. Love this paper. And here I also used the flowers and both of the leaves that come with the sets. Yeah, I just added some ephemera from the paper collection that I used from Simple Stories. Some yellow Nouveau drops, and here I did it like this. So yeah, I think this will is a nice addition to a journal, for example, or a mini album or whatever. So you can use it like this as well. Then I also did another card, but then I didn't. I did use the flat flowers in the background, but they got covered up by a lot of the flowers from my stash. I have so much flowers, fabric and paper flowers in my stash from crafting for so long now, and this is the perfect pocket to use for, and then make it as an embellishment on a card and use all your flowers. You can hardly see the pocket anymore. You can see the zipper here, but not there. And as you can see, the zipper pull, well, I made it with my wax seal stamp. Isn't this sweet? I really love it with the two-toned colors. And yeah, I did use the leaves that come with a die set here to tuck in white and in this green with gold paper. So yeah, I tucked it in there. For the rest, all flowers from my stash, as I said, and a butterfly that was gifted to me. I used one of the banners here. Here you can see it really well. Both of the banners, when you cut them out, you only get a small frame, and of course you get the negative pieces. So you can inlay them. If you cut them out in different colors, you can mix and mingle the inlays with the frames. I did it here just in the same color. I really liked it, but you can of course also mix that up, and I have some embellishments that I did, and there you can see how it looks. So the sentiment just for you, and for the rest just some rhinestones from my stash. And I thought it came out really cute. Papers as well from my stash. I tore it here in the background a little bit. And yeah, I really liked how this card came out. So that's this one. And then I made two simple embellishments also with my wax seal stamp. This is the first one. Just cut a ticket from paper that I have in my stash, added some ribbons. Here you can see again the banner die, and here I did the two tones. So you have the green outline and the white cardstock on the inside. Oh, I must be honest, I didn't inlay it. You can see it. I did not inlay it because then it would have the same height. Here I just glued the frame on top of my white cardstock and cut around it, but you can easily see how it looks when you do the inlay. Some rhinestones, and yeah, I think it's really sweet to add to a journal page, or yeah, just to a project, beautiful envelope or whatever. That's the first one, and of course I could not do one, I have to make two. This is how the other one turned out. Love the wax seal. It really gives a nice impression. It was the first time that I did oval ones, so I needed to practice to pour the wax in an oval shape. Till now I only did the round ones. So yeah. Yeah, so this is all that I have for you today. If you like these dies, please go check them out. I will put links in the description box below. And yeah, take a look at all the other categories at their website as well. Beautiful craft products. And again, for the wax sealing, it's great quality. And the dies as well, they cut like butter. I didn't have any problem with none of them. So yeah, it's really, yeah, you will be really happy when you take a look at their website. So yeah, again, Craspire, thank you for this collaboration, and yeah, I hope you will all be back for my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.